Hey, for over 5 years now, we've been selling online, and year over year, we've sold tens of thousands of products and turned millions of dollars in revenue. And that was only possible because we had leading-edge designers on our team. Having flagship designs allowed us to woo in customers into our sales funnels and cash in big every single day. But there's one ugly truth. Making these beautiful custom designs are not cheap. We're always set back tens of thousands of dollars monthly just to keep up to date with the payment of our design partners and staff. So the truth is, great designs sell, but they're very costly and could easily set you back thousands of dollars. Here are some recent checks we paid out last year to our designers. And when you're just starting out, it's hard to fork over huge amounts of money just to designers. And then you'd have to keep up with the slow delivery rate. Heck, a typical landing page or web design could take up to 3 weeks or more. Option number 2. Hire someone on Elance, Upwork, or Guru.com, which could set you back at least $100 an hour. Option number 3. Hire a skilled website designer. Expect an upfront charge of around $6,000 with an ongoing cost of $1,000 a year. I have a sneaky shortcut, but I'll tell you more about that a bit later. But first, I want to burst a myth most entrepreneurs believe in, but all the seasoned ones don't. They figured it already, and that's what made them big. Just like you, we needed a way to create sleek, beautiful, and high-converting websites and pages for our real businesses without hiring a costly designer or struggling to design and code the sites ourselves. Using themes are hard as you can't really get creative with what you want, and you're highly constrained by the themes, layouts, and features. And all the plugin templates we had or could find just had the same make-money online style landing pages and layouts. We needed a solution, and most of the things we found on the market weren't good enough. Some of them could create beautiful websites for sure, but weren't really optimized for online marketing. So we decided to create the ultimate solution that won't just knock out stunning pages, but create pages that will strategically grow your businesses online, capture more leads, and generate more sales daily. Introducing InstantPages, a complete landing page, funnel, and website builder with stunning designs to mesmerize your visitors and pre-optimized to convert like crazy. Now you too can create such beautiful pages and websites with InstantPages and see your revenue and sales climb just like ours here. Not just that, our list started growing fast too, with new subscribers being added every day. Using InstantPages is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Select your website landing page template from over 200 templates. Could be a sales funnel, traditional website template, or blog. Step number 2. Make the ultra-fast page in minutes. Step 3. Publish your website funnel live in 1 click. Here's what you're getting with InstantPages only during this special launch offer. 200 InstantPages landing pages and web design templates. It took a team of 5 designers around 2 weeks to create these 200 stunning templates. Unlike all the other website and landing page builders, we at InstantPages believe in getting the work done, and that too in one place and with one tool. These InstantPages templates are preloaded with stunning design and copy. To give a personal touch, just pick any template and edit, change anything you want, any way you want. InstantPages is about a lot more than simply building stunning websites and landing pages. It builds landing pages that are pre-optimized to give you the best conversions. Launching a new product? Need to collect webinar registrations? Creating a giveaway? No worries. 200 pre-designed and pre-optimized templates are at your disposal. Your stunning landing page will be live in a matter of minutes. Create gorgeous-looking websites and sales pages. We want you to sell more. We want you to earn more. And we want you to grow more. We want to be a part of your success story, and we figured we can't do that by limiting how much you can do. When we say that this tool is yours, we mean it. Tomorrow morning, you could list your services on Fiverr and create stunning websites for your clients in 5 easy steps. And check out what kind of prices freelancers are charging just to build sales funnels, corporate websites, and landing pages. 1.5 million new businesses start every month. You can do this for life and charge your new as well as existing clients for your services again and again and again forever. Yes, tons of businesses are looking for it. No limitations. Besides this, InstantPages comes with very limited commercial license that'll allow you to tap into a unique opportunity to enter the $1.5 trillion freelancing industry. There are tons of businesses that need your services. They'll pay top dollar to you when you deliver top-notch services to them. We've taken care of everything so that you can deliver those services simply and easily. Don't forget, you're protected by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. You can get started right now. So go ahead, click on the button below. We'll see you on the other side.